How are you guys enjoying at home? So today we are supposed to do a lab, but as you cannot attend the lab here, and also it's difficult to stream it online, uh, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the experiment to you, and I'll send you this video, and then uh, if you have any questions, then we can discuss it in our Google Hangout. Okay, so let us start. So the experiment I'm going to demonstrate today is called the laboratory soil compaction, which I think you have already studied in your theory lecture class. Now, of course, before starting any experiment, we need to know what is the objective of that experiment. And the objective here is to find the optimum moisture content and maximum dry unit weight of any soil. Okay, as you know, if you are backfilling soil somewhere, then you have to compact it. So at what point you will stop the compaction is needed. The maximum dry unit weight the soil can achieve. So by doing this test, we can actually get that value. Okay. So what is the equipment that is needed? Of course, you need the soil sample, but it has to pass through number 4 sieve, and you should have at least 2.27 kg per sample. Why is that? Because you have to fill the mold. The mold I will show you later. And of course, you need a modified proctor compaction hammer. Now here we have two kinds of hammers. Okay, one is manual and one is by the machine. But we will be using the manual today. Also, you need 6-inch diameter compaction molds. Okay, to put the soil sample to compact, which will have a collar and a stand that will be shown to you later. You need a cutting edge to level the surface of the soil in the mold. Also, you need a weighing scale, weighing machine, you know that, and accuracy 0.01 gram. You need an oven to dry the soil samples that you will collect after each test, and then you need moisture cans because you will put the wet sample in the moisture can. Now, what is the compaction procedure? You see, you have to do it in 5 layers for the modified proctor test. And each layer, you will give 25 blows with the standard hammer. And the hammer drop height, the height through which the hammer falls is 45 centimeters. This you have to take care. We have that hammer. Also, so what do we get after finishing all the tests? We will get 5 values. Okay. Now you know the mold dimensions, we know it. So we can know the volume of the mold. And the weight of soil that is being put in the mold is also known to us, because we will take the empty weight first and then we will take the weight of the mold plus the soil. So you will have both the weight and the volume of the compacted wet soil. So from that you can find the unit weight of that soil. Okay, and if you take a small portion from that and put in the moisture can in the oven, you will find what water content is there in that soil specimen. So for each test, you will have one unit weight of soil value and one water content value. But you need at least 4 to 5 values, because you need to plot. Because at lower water contents, your dry density is lower. Then it keeps on increasing. Then if you have lot of water, again it will fall down. So there is a peak in this curve, which will give you the maximum dry density or dry unit weight of that soil at a particular moisture content. So this point and this point are what we need to find from this test. And the results you can expect for most of the soils. Of course, this will not cover all the soils, but most of the soils for this modified proctor, for optimum moisture content, it is between 10 to 15%. Okay, and maximum dry unit weight is 19.2 to 20.82 kilonewton per meter cube. So this is what you can expect. Maybe it can be higher or lower also, but majority of the soils will fall in this range. So now we will take a pause, then we will go and look at the equipment.